This one hidden setting could be draining your phone's battery right now, and almost nobody knows about it. If your battery keeps dropping faster than it should, even when you're not using your phone much, this is probably why. And the fix? It takes less than 30 seconds. Every Android phone has a secret menu called Developer Options. It's hidden by default, but inside it, there's one setting that silently keeps your battery working over time. Here's exactly what to do. Go to Settings, tap About Phone, then open Software Information. Now find Build Number. Tap it 7 times quickly, enter your password if asked, and boom, Developer Mode is now unlocked. Go back to Settings, scroll down, and open Developer Options. Now look for this setting. Keep mobile data always active. This setting keeps your mobile data running, even when you're connected to Wi-Fi. So basically, your phone is using Wi-Fi and mobile data at the same time. That means more background activity, more power usage, and faster battery drain every single day. Just turn this setting off. That's it. Yes, your phone might take a few extra seconds to switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. But let's be honest. Saving battery all day is way more important than a 10-second delay. For most people, this setting does nothing useful, but it definitely drains your battery. Try this right now, and comment "Done" if you notice the difference. Hit the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you soon.